This is the part 2 of the beginner forex trading course. In the part 1, I introduce you to the forex market. If you are yet to watch that video, kindly refer to the description of this video to access that video because that is the foundation of your trading career. In this part 2, I am going to walk you through the 3 types of forex currency pairs. You need to understand these 3 types of forex currency pairs. Understanding it will help you to choose the right currency you should be trading as a beginner in the forex market. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe right now and enable the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming content on this channel. Thank you for doing that. Right, with that being said, let's get started right now. All right, traders, this is my screenshot and I'm going to walk you through the 3 types of forex currency pairs in the forex market. First, we are going to start with the majors before we proceed to the minors, and the last, the exotic currency pairs. So what are the major currency pairs? The major currency pairs are currencies of the top leading economy of the world paired against USD, which means the USD is dominating. The USD is the world reserve currency. So other top leading currencies of the world are paired against USD. So whenever a top leading economic currencies are paired against USD, we have majors in the forex market. So now the first on the list is the USD, which is the dominating currency, the reserve currency of the world. Next, we have other top leading economic currencies. So we start with the British pound sterling paired against the USD. This is the chart of the British pound sterling paired against the USD. It is paired against USD. And we have the euro paired against the USD. This is the chart. You can see that this euro currency is paired against USD. And we have the Australian dollar paired against the USD. This is the chart. You can see that. And we have the New Zealand paired against the USD. This is the chart. We have the USD paired against the Canadian dollar. This is the price chart. We have the USD paired against the JPY. That is the Japanese yen. This is the chart. And we have the USD paired against the Swiss. This is the chart. So together, we have 7 major currencies in the forex market. All these currencies are paired against the USD. So whenever you see the top leading currencies of the world paired against USD, that means you are dealing with the forex major currency pairs in the forex market. Now let's proceed to the minor currency pairs. This time around on the minor currency pairs, we are going to pair 2 top leading economic currencies against one another, excluding the USD. So which means the USD is not going to be part of this currency pairs in the minor currency section. So right here we have different top leading economic currency paired against one another. The only missing currency here is the USD, right? So we have the yen minor currency pairs right here. We have Switzerland paired against yen, Australian dollar paired against yen, New Zealand dollar paired against yen, Canadian dollar paired against yen, and Euro yen, we have British yen. You can see the chart. This is Swiss yen. This is the chart of Australian dollar yen. This is the New Zealand yen, the chart. This is the Canadian dollar yen. This is the Euro yen. And this is the British pound sterling paired against the yen, right? So these are the yen minor currency pairs. Now, we also have the British pound sterling minor currency pairs. We have the British paired against Canada. This is the price chart. We have the British pound sterling paired against the New Zealand. This is the price chart. We have the British pound sterling paired against the Australian dollar. This is the price chart. We have the British pound sterling paired against the Swiss. This is the price chart. And next we can proceed to the euro minor currency pairs. We have the euro paired against Great Britain. We have the euro paired against the Canadian dollar. We have the euro paired against the New Zealand. We have the euro paired against the Australian dollar. We have the euro paired against the Swiss. So these are the euro minor currency pairs. Now we can proceed to the Australian dollar minor currency pairs. So we have the Australian dollar paired against the Canadian dollar. We have the Australian dollar paired against the New Zealand. We have the Australian dollar paired against the Swiss. These are the price chart of these currency minor pairs. And we have the New Zealand minor currency pairs. New Zealand paired against the Canadian dollar. New Zealand paired against the Swiss. And we have last on the list the Canadian dollar minor pairs. This is Canada paired against the Swiss. So you can see Canada, New Zealand, Australia, Euro, British pound sterling, yen, they all have their own currency pairs. Together, they are called minor currency pairs. So we have 7 major currency pairs, remember. Now, how many minor currency pairs do we have? We have 21 minor currency pairs in the forex market. Let's count them out, starting from the Swiss yen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. You can see we have 21 minor currency pairs. Together with the major, we have 28 currency pairs. That is 7 major currency pairs and there are 21 minor currency pairs. So now let's proceed further to the exotic currency pairs. The exotic currency pairs this time around are currencies of underdeveloped countries or developed countries paired against one another. This time around, they can include USD, right? So we have the USD paired against the Singaporean dollar. This is the chart right here. We have the USD paired against the Chinese yuan. We have the USD paired against the South Africa rand. We have lots more of exotic currency pairs, but I focus majorly on the USD Singaporean dollar, USD Chinese yuan, and USD South African rand because they are the most liquid currencies in the exotic currency pairs, right? So as a beginner trader, I advise you to stick with the majors. Once you have mastered the majors, then you can proceed further to the minors, and then later you can proceed on to the exotic currency pairs. But you necessarily don't need to trade all these currency pairs to be profitable. Just stick to 2, 3, or 4 and make sure they are liquid currency pairs. So the question now is, out of all these currency pairs, which one should you be trading? I suggest you should trade majors because they are liquid, they have low spread, and they tend to have a lot of market participants, which means if you get in a position on major currency pairs, you tend to make money faster, right? So these are the forex currency pairs, the types: minors, majors, and exotic. So in the next tutorial, I am going to walk you through on how you can start trading, open a trading account, and then open a trading platform, such as the platform I have right here, the Trading View, how you can use the MetaTrader 4 or 5 to start trading, and how you get yourself familiarized with terminologies in trading, like your spread, leverage, your margin, your account balance, right? So if you would like to view that tutorial, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and put a comment down. I am interested. You can as well use the comment box to suggest the next topic you want us to treat in our tutorials. All right, I am looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Subscribe and enable the notification bell. Thank you.